Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Thursday, and last Thursday I made $25 an hour, $75 in 3 hours. I absolutely loved it and came back today, and we're starting off with this one, $6, 16 minutes. This should be quick and easy. Mucho Burrito is normally ready. If it's ready, we're gonna get this done in under 10. Mucho Burrito, here we come. Hi there.
Hi.
Ubereats for James?
Thanks for James.
Perfect, thank you. Appreciate that. There you go, sir. Enjoy. Enjoy. You too. Take care. Gotta love it when that one was ready. The customer was waiting outside their building. That was done in 8 minutes. Love it. And right away, as soon as that was dropped off, they gave me this one. $11. That magic $11. That could mean $8 tip or more for only 14 minutes. Yes, of course I'll take it. Let's go grab it. I'm picking up for Ubereats for Hunter, FD52C.
12 minutes.
12 minutes?
Yeah, 15 minutes at least. 20 minutes at least.
15, 20?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gave it the time.
That was so disappointing. As you saw when I went in there, they first said, oh, it's not ready. It's going to be at least 10 minutes, then 15, then 20. And then she's showing me the iPad like I wanted proof. I don't need your proof. I just need you to make the order. It's fast food and it was absolutely dead. I have no idea why they felt they needed to wait 20 more minutes, even if the order was requested at a certain time. Uber gave it to me. I just wanted to get it done and keep the night moving. But if it's going to be 15 or 20 minutes, it's not worth the $11, even if it might be a few dollars more. Canceled it and I'll let you know when I get my next order. So after declining about 5 or 6 orders and then Uber putting me on a timeout, I finally got an offer worth taking. $11.06 for 34 minutes. It's double the amount of time the other one would have been. That one just annoys me because there was no other orders that they were working on. That was the only ticket they had. Plus there was no one else in the restaurant. I understand if they're backed up and they're slammed, they're gonna say, hey, 15, 20 minutes. But my order was the only order that was available. And they're still saying 10, 15, 20 minutes. I just think it's laziness, honestly. I think they just don't want to be bothered. They were like, we're gonna take our time. You have to wait or cancel. We really don't care. But onward and upward, that one's behind me now. Let's go grab this one. Hi, Uber Eats for Kelly. Great, thank you.
It will take up 2 or 3 minutes.
Hi there. Is the pizza for you?
It's for inside.
Oh, it's for inside.
Tell them.
Okay, no problem. Should I just leave it here?
Yep.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. So after missing out on a few trip radars, this one came in, and thank goodness it was way better than the ones I tried to get. $10 for 11 minutes. It's around the corner. Let's hope it's ready. Papa John's, here we come. Hi, Uber Eats for Chantel. Sure. Yep. Yeah, Chantel. Yes, that is the name. Just double check. Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Hi, got your delivery for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a good one.
You too. Thanks. So it seems like the offers keep rolling in. Take a look at this one. $10.27, 26 minutes. It's not bad, but then they gave me an add-on, an additional $7.04 for only 10 more minutes. If both of these are ready, we can do this in record time. Let's go grab them. Hi, good. I'm picking up for Uber Eats, Natasha. Oh, awesome.
1 second, okay? Gotta staple it.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Hi, picking up Uber Eats for June, 530E5?
Yes, this way.
Perfect. Thank you.
And don't forget to come from the picture.
Oh, of course. Yeah. Let me just get in the bag first. So the night took a turn for the worst. I was either getting no offers or really bad offers. Like we're talking $3, $4 for a half hour. No, I'm not gonna take those. Don't even bother giving them to me. A lot of crap trip radars I was not gonna take. This one came in and I debated. I think it can be done really quick. $4.50, 11 minutes. It's really close, so why not just add another $4? Hi, Uber Eats for Aaron. Perfect, thank you. Looks like they're not giving me any big offers anymore, so I'm going to take a little one and start crawling to the finish line. $5.41, 11 minutes. The other one was under 10. Let's hope this one's under 10 as well. Can I grab this one?
Can I see the number?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, thank you. Finally, we got something to brag about. $9.35, and it's only going to take 20 minutes. Let's hope it's ready. We can cut that down to 15, and then we can make it a decent night.
Are they checking out?
Yeah, it's for Victor, Ubereats.
There you go, sir.
Awesome, thank you.
Have a good night. Take care.
You too. So that last order wasn't ready, but it didn't take too long at all. 18 minutes in total, so under the 20, I'll take it. But I'm committed to getting you 2 videos a week. So if you can like and subscribe to the channel, keep this going. Thank you so much. It really helps the channel when you do that. So that's going to bring my night to a close. My grand total for this evening, $63.63. Not too great for 3.5 hours. I wish it was better. No complaints for me, though. I'll take $63 in my pocket any day of the week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.